Can ChatGPT create good ads? Well, it can create good cliché ads, not very creative ones, but actually it is really, really good brainstorming buddy. So use it wisely and a lot. I think it's brain implants, like Neuralink. Just not sure it's a gadget. We had little time, so we gathered for the whole day workshop. And in the first minutes on the workshop, we wrote Saily on a big screen in a Figma file. And Figma just did the wave because of a spell check. It's not in the dictionary yet. And we thought, this is a nice idea. And the rest is history. It would be carefree like Anthony Bourdain. The last screenshot is my colleague run on Strava. He did 100 kilometers just because he wanted to. It will be Sam Harris waking up. It's about everything you have, your mind. It's not a family, it's an Olympic team. Best people gathered to make best things possible. It should have a gym, obviously. You need only two things: complete focus and interesting topic. So learn interesting things or make it interesting. A plan or a vision? I would say neither. For me, it's about habits, routines, and systems. It's about what you do every day, day by day. It was the thing I was most afraid to do. You have to walk into the belly of a beast, after all.